Hi, I recently bought a Ninja Foodi multi-cooker with tender crisp technology, and I just want to show you what came in the box. So this is model OP302, which retails for about $180 to $200 at the time that I'm filming this. Now, I don't think that's cheap, but it's well worth the price considering all the various functions that come with it. So for me personally, I love how it gives me extra time to do other stuff while cooking, like playing with my kids, paying my bills, tidying up the house, or just catching up on my favorite shows on TV. So here's what's in the box. First, of course, we have the foodie. Now, what makes this multi-cooker different from all the others out there is that it comes with two lids. We have the crisping lid, which is attached to the foodie. And it also comes with this pressure lid. Then we have the removable cooking pot. Now this must always be inserted. Foodie is in use. It doesn't matter whether you're pressure cooking or crisping or all the other functions of the foodie. The cooking pot serves as a base that separates the food from the heating element in the foodie. It also comes with the Cook and Crisp basket with its detachable diffuser. This is used in the cooking pot for best air crisping results. I've used this for cooking pork chops that I would normally cook or fry in a pan on the stove, and for roasting a 5-pound whole chicken. For steaming veggies or broiling proteins, the foodie also comes with this reversible rack. You put it in the lower position for steaming, or the higher position for broiling. Of course, it comes with an instruction manual. And there's also a cooking cheat sheet, which will give you an idea of what temperature to use and the cooking time required for certain foods depending on which function you desire to use. And to make our lives even easier, they've also included a cookbook. It features 45 or so recipes where you can use the Ninja Foodi. Some of the recipes include a complete meal of starch, veggies, and protein to be cooked at the same time in one pot. I've tried using the Ninja Foodi over Thanksgiving weekend and it did not disappoint. It's very easy to clean as well, even by hand washing. I have a lot more experimenting to do, but so far I'm liking it. I'll be trying out some of the recipes included in the cookbook to show you on my next video. Thank you for watching.